Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters in Islam, let me share with you one more hadith regarding the person who is suffering from any kind of sickness. What Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, and what dua Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us to say when we visit a sick person. In one of the hadiths, Ibn Abbas narrates the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he who visits a sick person and who is not on the point of death and supplicates 7 times, As'alullah al-Azim, Rabb al-Arsh al-Azim, an yashfiyak. I beseech Allah, the great, Rabb of the great throne, to heal you. Allah will certainly heal him. Look at that. Look at this dua. Before Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is saying, if any person visiting a sick person and saying this dua, he's saying certainly Allah will heal him from that sickness if the person is not on the point of death. We should always, whenever we visit a sick person, we should abide by these prophets saying. We should follow these footsteps. We should follow these du'as in our daily life. Each and every activity, whatever we're doing, Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam taught us these all activities, du'as. In this situation, you have to say this dua. In this situation, you have to say this dua. For this activity, you have to start with this dua. All of these things basically Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam taught us for each and every action in our life. We just have to be little conscious while doing all these activities and saying the duas accordingly. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum. Jazakumullah khair.